down to social services, you know, fix the for us. I was trying to get us to a drink. Okay. I don't have it. This part, right? This part? Yeah, it's right.
The reason I stopped you is some people were yelling, passing them, and I showed up and blocking the sidewalk.
I couldn't pass past them. They were just all in the way. I couldn't pass them. I was trying to get around them. I thought like that.
Do you need medical attention?
I don't think I do now. I'm feeling a little bit better, but I had to sit down. It's too hot. That's my bad. I think I'm supposed to try to pick up my time.
So it's Chris, right?
CDR-WRITHT.
Is it Chris or Chris?
It's Chris, like CHRISTOS.
No F-O? No PH?
TOS. My birthday's June.
Golden State, what up?
I'm actually not sure who that is.
I know, and this is what they've been doing to me. I don't know who it is either. They keep filming me like this. And wherever I go to, these people are doing this. This is what's bothering me. This is what's bothering me right here. I can't stand this.
I'm documenting the police, man.
Okay, I can't stand it. I don't know what's going on, but they keep following me.
Do you want to give your name?
Observer?
Can you please stop following me? I can't do this anymore.
I've never seen you before. I'm not following you. That's not me.
Well, what is this?
Do you want to give us your name?
No. You guys know my name. You guys know me. Act like you don't know me.
So we're out in public, so he has the right to film.
Okay, guys, I'm trying to go back to home so I don't feel
whether or not he's considering not your feelings.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, that's what I want.
Smell good. I appreciate you. Lori. Karen Cheek. Matthew King, what up?
Okay. Yeah. What's that? Yeah, I have it.
Sean Bumstead, Mike M.
Nice. Okay, I know. Yes, sir.
President Santa William, Minneapolis.
Can't block sidewalks.
Okay. Yeah, I kind of get around the people I've got on the roadway and
Were you right on the sidewalk?
I was just trying to walk my legs.
Is that right, Choice? Val Rosas, how you doing? Nico G.
There's nothing I was saying public. This is the people who
Mike M.
I can't even go out in the public. I don't know who it is. And I don't know if like they got a barrel on the thing. I don't know if it's a gun or whatever. Like, every time I turn the corner. Okay, I don't know why he's filming us for. Why is such a personal thing?
I believe it's called a First Amendment audit. That's what they do. They go around and they film the police. Interact with the public to make sure that we don't violate your rights and make sure that we're not abusing people.
I have people like this all the time with these cameras in my face, and like if you tell them not to, then they call you. And
you have a cell phone?
I have a cell phone. But I don't.
If you'd like to film him, you're welcome to do it as long as you're out in public.
Go for it, bro.
I don't like the it's like that barrel of anything.
Well, just know that you see it more for us than he is for you.
Okay.
And like I said,
yeah,
some people, you know.
Okay.
So know that. Like, you requested it.
Yeah.
Wants to film. It's right. More public. What you can do is you can go over to the shelter.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
So you can't go inside the shelter to film.
They don't let me go to the shelter. So.
Minneapolis, appreciate you.
They don't let me go there, and and I'm just left up on the street alone most of the time. I don't understand. People like this person will like follow me with their camera and like say things, and it just gets worse and worse.
Well, like I said, I think he's here more for us than he is for you.
Yeah.
So I know you said you had to go to the bathroom.
Yeah, I do.
Have you talked to Officer Warner? He's
Lesbian, what up? Frank.
Okay.
Just if people are blocking the sidewalk, you're trying to get around, you can't be yelling at them. That's what the attention calling us, right?
Okay. Yeah.
They weren't really specific. They were just concerned because you were yelling and screaming.
Okay.
Right? So, just for you to get it, you can find out.
Thank you very much.
You want to get going? Like I said, he's here to film us. So if you get going, then you probably will call you.
Okay. Yeah, I've more people that I don't know who this is, but I've had these people doing this all the time like that.
Well, if you find that you keep showing
Crafty Mama.
And I've said a few things to the people, and then they like call you guys, and they
River,
say
what up?
I was being rude to them, and they're just following me with these cameras. It's really weird.
Thanks, Crafty
I don't know
Mama.
what the whole thing is.
If you find that you keep showing up like you are, feel free to make a report.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Like I said, he's here mostly for us.
Yeah, like it's like being stalked or something.
Well, that's why I said if you keep showing
like,
up where you are.
If I started walking this way, then you'd be standing right in the sidewalk. Like you couldn't like pass. This is hard to get by.
Maybe don't get the cops called on you. Maybe. And I won't be here.
How's it going?
Good, man. How are you?
Not bad.
Are you new?
I'm new to St. Louis.
Oh, okay. Yeah, everybody knows me, man. Gabriel, yeah.
Okay.
So the whole department knows. She knows me.
Are you from St. Louis?
I live here.
You live here?
Yep.
Okay.
I'm not an auditor. I'm not a First Amendment audit. This isn't a First Amendment audit. I'm documenting the police and their interactions with the public.
Did you have a bad experience with the police, or?
All the time.
All the time?
All the time. Especially doing this, man. What's your name, sir?
David.
David? David what?
Bruin.
Bruin.
Like the baseball team.
All right.
B-R-E-W-E-N.
Yeah, man. I'm probably going to be around more scenes where you're at in the future. So
Life we live as a police officer.
You can be cool with it or you can get offended, whatever you want to do. I'm just here to document the police.
And it's just, like you said, right? I mean, nobody likes us to be filmed constantly.
No one likes it? Well, there's cameras everywhere.
I get it.
I can't, cameras out here. I can't stop everyone from recording, man.
That's why we have body cams. So
there you go. And I've tried getting your guys' body cam footage from incidents I've been involved in, and they won't give it to me. So I just document everything.
My pay level. Here's where those decisions get made.
There you go.
So, good luck.
Yep.
Bye, Gabriel.
Later.
Oh, I think I did get that. Sorry. I thought it was more about
Matthew King, G. Sid. He seems alright, but it seemed a little bit like he was trying to kind of throw some negativity, but yeah, overall he was alright. Don't forget to run my plates as you leave. Run my plates. Dang, guys. Guy didn't understand I was here protecting his rights. They probably didn't cuff him and give him a harder time because I was here. I can say that. He's probably walking away able to ride away because I was here. I know I helped that guy out and he doesn't even realize it.